Good day, ma'am. We are in Group 6 and this is our laboratory exercise 19. Programming using counter CPU.
Lumayo-luyo ka na.
Okay, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reset.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Reset. Yun eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reset. Tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reset.